Khan. It's gone wide. He's crunched this as well. My word, that's a great hit.
Bowled. Oh, and backed up in the field. I think that was Ami Amin. Captain, and that is a lovely swivel. And it has disappeared about 10 rows back. Wow. Well, that's nice and clean and straight.
We've seen some excellent cricket today. And that's a beautiful lap shot from Asif.
Little dab. This might go all the way. It might. It's a chase. And the ball wins it. 11 gone, it's 79 for 3. Here's Umar Khan. And that is a great hit. How well has he caught it? He's caught it well enough for 6.
It's not off the middle of the bat. That's just his power and the timing that he possesses.
Oh, he's crunched it. That is a monster. Pepsi catch a craw opportunity.
Sound of the blade. How good was that?
Oh, this is a wonderful strike. Oh, goodness. Oh, that's got to be a no ball as well. It's gone for 6. It's a no ball, and Shinwari's under pressure.
It's all going a bit P-tong for Shinwari here. 6 of the first ball, now a no ball which provides the free hit. This one goes for 6 as well, over point. Costly drop catches, missed run-out chances.
It's gone wide. He's crunched this as well. My word, that's a great hit. And that's a half century of sheer quality from Asif Ali. Brilliant. 4 4s, 4 6s, just 30 balls.
Huge difference, 162, 150.
Struck this and found the gap. Here's another boundary to Asif Ali. Nicely. Oh! He's not bothered moving, you know why? It's a biggie. Clean as. Asif Ali moves into the 60s now.
Get over the fence.
And again, talk about Fat City here in Dubai.
Balls, and his strike rate is now rocketed to almost 200. Off cutter picked, straight as an arrow once again, and bullseye from Asif.
He's that sort of guy. Yeah, he's after Monroe. They won't get 2. For Islamabad. Change of pace. Here's another skier. Oh, is it the captain? You better believe it. Ahmad Wasim does the job. Is this the turning point in match 18?
Taken by Ahmad. What a knock. Brilliant, to say the least. 70 from just 38, 140 from 4.